Peace, love, and blessings, everybody. This is Alex the Greatest, coming at you with something a little different. I've always enjoyed Pokemon, and honestly, it's something that I wanted to share with the world and those of you who have been following my journey so far, with my business. This is just kind of me letting you in on one of my passions. Of course, music, but let's get into some openings. Mr. Mime, Poltergeist, Shelmet, an Obstagoon, Galarian at that. We got Skitty, Anorith, Woobat, Mightyena, Electros, my bad, Delmize. I like that Pokemon. We gotta do a little sneak peek right quick. Arcaludon, I love that Pokemon in battle. Psyduck, Skyla. Next one, we got a Swoobat. Nothing fancy in there, it looks like. Pachirisu, Poochyena, Muck, Type Null. Never got that one before. That's a new one for me. Chimecho, there's something sneaking back there. Apom, Kricketot, Obstagoon, the Galarian again. Okay. And that is that first little bit here. So, I was kind of excited about this little pull. I like the art of that Choreo. Apom, I love that art with the Pikachu sneaking behind. Quite a few new cards. I wanted to pack or open up some of these packs that I don't have a lot of Pokemon in. And yeah, always love Psyduck, man. Always. And we're gonna open up some more. Let's go. Ruler of the Skies. I really like these packs. I feel like I get some solid cards out of it. I feel like it's one of my favorite packs out of the TCG Pocket. I almost called it TCG Online, but that would of course be inaccurate. You got live and you got, if you're still rocking with me, please make sure to subscribe. Rock along with me in my journey. We got a Delmize, Cascoon, that art, Helioptile, Cyclizar, look at that art there, Diblin, nothing fantastic, but some new ones, like I said, always getting into oh my goodness, liking getting new cards. That's the appeal to me. Of course, it's great to pull some phenomenal cards, but for me, it's more about like the art itself. And so let's just go on ahead and open up 10 packs. Might as well, right? Let's do it. Crack it open. Shelmet, let's go. Pack number 1. Applin. Come on, something good here. Orcario, I can't really say that right. Routes. Curlio. Okay, next pack. Luxray. Ooh, Bruxish. Poltergeist. Wylmer. Portapad. Okay. Poltergeist, I think. I don't know, whatever. Wylmer. Tubot. We'll get there. Drowsy, Golduck, Shelmet, of course, another Shelmet, and a Drayden. Let's go. That full art is nice. Luxio, another Luxio, pack number 5. Kefleon, Kricketot, Makuhita, Hoopa. Like that art there. Dupiter. Carvana. Escavalier. Another Delmise. Another Hoopa. Mr. Mime. Ooh, it changed. Look at that. Look at that background there. Hold on. What are we pulling up on? What are we pulling up on? I'm excited. Oh, Samurai. The full art. Let's go. You already know when the colors in the background changes. That's fine. Next one. Claw Fossil. Heliolisk. Electric. Star me. Alright. Poochyena. Silicone. Lily. Carvana. Flareon. I like that art there. That's pretty cool. If you're still rocking with me, make sure that you're subscribing. Y'all, make sure that you head on over to my Instagram. We're trying to build subscribers on that. Definitely follow, subscribe anywhere that you know Alex the Greatest, and that's ALEXTHEGR, the number 8 EST. Look at that Drayden. Jeez, and that Samurott. I can't get over that Samurott. That's so fire. Yeah, that was a nice little 10-pack pull there. I love it. Let's go with the little bonus pack for y'all. I've actually never pulled anything from these packs before, the Everyday Wonders, so let's see how that works. Spinning. And let's crack it open. We got a Growlithe. Nothing fancy, it looks like, as we're peeking. Caterpie. Emolga. Toxapex. And a small balloon. Hey, you know what? Nothing fantastic, but again, all these are new because I've not opened this pack, so this is super positive. So just adding those to the collection. Always excited to grow my collection, and I'm excited to share this with y'all. Just to be able to share one of my hobbies with y'all is something very exciting to me. So I'm just really glad that that y'all could be here with me checking this out. I hope that any of y'all who are out there that love Pokemon, come check out my music. I own my own record label in Toledo, Ohio, called The Greatest Family Music. We are bringing meaning back into music. We are bringing the underground to the upper ground. If you like that, if that sounds appealing, let's do it. Let's get it.